Oh, hi there! Ikea keeps releasing so many new products this summer. And as the summer is wrapping up, Ikea is just getting started with the fall collection with fresh new drops that are just too good to miss. So today we're going through the best new at Ikea finds for fall 2025. I'm Man, this is Mars. Thank you so much for stopping by. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell and hit that like button to never miss another video again. Now let's go! We're starting right off with a new sofa Ikea just released, and that is the TORNSBORG Sleeper sofa. And right off, this one looks so sleek and so minimal, but the best part is that it can easily be transformed into a comfy bed for guests, which is so smart. It's a beautiful piece of furniture, plus a total space-saving win. I just can't wait to see in stores. Ikea also released a matching chair bed in that same collection. This one's such a smart and stylish piece that will serve you for years to come. Another new sleeper sofa Ikea just released is this beautiful light gray sofa that looks a bit more timeless and sophisticated. This one's super deep, has plush back cushions and clean modern lines, making it one of the best sleeper sofas Ikea has ever released. It has such a traditional Scandinavian design, and if you ask me, it doesn't look like it's a sleeper sofa at all. The fact that this one turns into a bed is just a great bonus, and I'm loving it so much. A new collection Ikea released for this fall is their famous MÄVINN collection. And there are so many amazing new products from this collection you just have to see. And we're starting off with this gorgeous lampshade made out of handmade banana fiber. Through the airy hand-woven pattern, this lampshade spreads a decorative light that will give any room a warm and welcoming feeling. Not to mention, each lampshade is unique since it's made out of banana fibers that are hand-braided by skilled artisans. Another new product from that same collection is this beautiful jute basket. This one's also handmade in white and beige jute straps. I love it so much. I love the fact that this one fits perfectly in shelvings like the Kallax unit, which makes it so easy to include it as a decorative storage option. Another one is this smaller one made out of palm leaf. This one's perfect for keeping craft supplies, fruits, veggies, or even as a catch-everything basket in the hallway. Also, this one made out of banana fiber looks so good. It has colorful pom-poms on it, and I could totally see it in the living room for keeping throws and blankets, or in a child's room for storing cushions or toys. A new rug from the MÄVINN collection I just absolutely love is this beautiful hand-woven rug in undyed jute with small woolen accents in different colors. This one's so decorative and so durable, and it's ideal for switching things up and adding some pop of colors into your space. It comes at a great price point too, for $129.99. This one also comes in a runner version 2 for $49.99. I could totally see this one in the kitchen or hallway, making things way more unique and more interesting. This bread basket is another new Ikea product from the MÄVINN collection for 2025. And again, another natural product handmade from jute fibers with hand embroidery in contrasting black and white. This one's approved for food contact and is just perfect for serving bread on the table setting. And we're finishing off with the MÄVINN collection with this matching cushion cover and throw. These two come in this funky pink-orange stripes with a lower part in blue and a hand-embroidered details in white. I just love how these two look and I can't wait to see them in stores. Moving on to decor pieces, another new Ikea find I absolutely love is this serving bowl with a stand. This light beige serving bowl with small dots in fall colors looks like it's made out of stone. It's great for serving fruits, snacks, or even fresh salads, and it's such an eye-catcher wherever you choose to place it. Another one from that same collection and in that similar style is this platter with a stand. This one looks so good and is perfect for serving cheese, snacks, fruits, or just as a decor piece on its own. Another new Ikea product from the HÖSTAGILLE collection is this beautiful tablecloth. This one has crisscrossed stripes, all in neutral beige tones, plus it frames the dining table so nicely and goes with everything. Also, this beautiful vase from that same collection that I honestly can't wait to see in stores. It looks so unique, especially when styled with dried flowers. Loving it. And we're finishing up with a spice rack that's new at Ikea, and it's just so interesting. And that is this green spice rack that looks like it's made out of stone. This one's great for storing your spice jars and bottles in one place and freeing up space on your worktop, all while looking super cute and decorative. And that's a wrap on the new Ikea products for fall 2025. Did you find a favorite? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, by the time you're watching this, I've probably already had my baby. So the nursery makeover is coming pretty soon. So don't forget to ring that notification bell, allowing all notifications, because you just don't want to miss it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you designers next week. Bye! Marcy boy is sleeping as always. Let's go wake him up. How are you, buddy? Look, you sleeping here. You're my favorite boy. You're my favorite little boy. You know that? Okay, go to sleep, Mars. Go to sleep. You're so tired. You're so tired, right? Bye-bye, guys. See you next week. Bye.